What is up, everybody? I'm out here, out recording, doing some stuff. I got my built wheel bag. I have it on my sissy bar. I'm gonna be checking that out. But the reason why I'm here today is because I got a drone. It's a little baby drone right there. Thank you, Matt and his family, for doing that for me. It's great. So let's just get it up in the air. I just can't wait. I wanna play with it. So I used to have a drone. I had the DJI Phantom 3 standard. Now this is the Mavic Air. My battery is a little low on this, but man, it's so much better than what I had. And I used to go riding out in the desert with my drone and have it follow me. Now I'm probably not gonna be doing something like that this time around, but what I will be doing is, as you can tell, we have it looking directly down. Let's go ahead and bring it down a little bit further. So the goal of this drone, let's go ahead and bring it down. Come on now, come on now. The goal of this drone is to get some overhead shots of when I'm out riding. So when I'm out doing my U-turn, so I'm all doing my, let's go over here. So I'm doing my U-turn, I'm going, oh, U-turn time. You guys can see an aerial shot. So not only are you gonna get filming from that camera, the 360 camera, but now we got a little drone flying up in the air, and this thing is awesome. There's so many different features that I can do with it. There's a lot of things that, let's see, I can, yes, safety warnings, blah, blah, blah. APAS has been enabled. Let's have it do active track. So I get to trace. So draw a box around the subject. So now when I'm out walking, or if I'm out filming, it will automatically track where I'm going. So if I do a U-turn or a figure eight where I'm showing you something, I can literally do it and it's actively tracking me. So these are different things that I'm able to do now on my drone with another filming type of thing, techniques and everything. So I can't wait to do this with you guys. But I think it's a fun little addition to my repertoire of things. Now, I used to be really good with the drone, so this is the first time flying it. This is the first time ever taking it out. But man, is it neat? It's so cool. It is so cool. So I'm gonna have it kind of follow me. Come here, little buddy. But guys, I just wanted to introduce you to something new to the channel. This is something that I'll be having a lot of fun with, something that I will be utilizing during my training videos. And I just want to say thank you to Matt and his family. Thank you so much for this. You didn't have to. But these are the types of things I want to get for on Patreon. I want to be able to bring this to you guys, better training, so overhead, maybe a little bit follow me around, something that's movable, because I'm out here by myself doing my own stuff, and I don't have a production team. I don't have anybody filming me. I have tripods, and now I have a drone that will actually act as somebody else. There's a lot of cool things I can do with it. But just want to introduce you to the Matt Cam. This is the Matt Cam, and I'll be seeing you guys later.